Two co-workers reached a six-figure salary on the very same day. Same city, same age, same opportunity. But one simple decision changed everything.
One spent the raise immediately. The other quietly invested every extra dollar.
Five years later, their lives looked completely different. The difference wasn't income.
It was their habits. Six figures don't automatically make you wealthy. They simply give you a bigger financial test.
For decades, people believed one number meant success: $100,000.
Parents, teachers, and movies all sold the same dream.
But while the dream stayed the same, the cost of living kept climbing.
Every year, inflation quietly takes a little more. The paycheck looks bigger.
But its buying power grows smaller. That's why more income doesn't always feel like more freedom.
Many people earn more.
Yet they never feel richer.
The real problem isn't earning more. It's spending more. Every raise creates a choice.
Most people never notice the trap.
Lifestyle inflation happens silently.
Tiny upgrades become permanent expenses.
Soon. Your paycheck already has a destination before you even touch it. Higher income doesn't guarantee higher wealth. Only the gap between income and spending creates real freedom. Then comes the biggest expense of all: Housing. The dream home keeps moving farther away. Every price increase changes the game. Many families earn more than ever. Yet saving becomes harder every year. Unexpected expenses never send a warning. One small emergency can shake an entire month's budget. Financial stress rarely arrives all at once. It builds quietly, one decision at a time. That's why protecting your financial margin matters more than chasing a bigger paycheck. The biggest financial battles happen inside your own home. Every paycheck already has a job waiting for it. Small monthly costs quietly become huge yearly expenses. That's why budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about building a clear, bright path to your future goals. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. Wealth grows from consistency, not perfection. Tiny habits repeated for years create extraordinary results. Real freedom isn't buying everything you want. It's knowing you don't have to worry about tomorrow. That's the moment money starts working for you, instead of the other way around. A six-figure salary is not the finish line. It's simply the beginning of smarter financial decisions. Every raise gives you two choices. Upgrade your lifestyle. Or upgrade your future. The people who build wealth protect the gap between income and spending. That gap quietly becomes freedom. Not because you earned more. But because you needed less. Remember, real wealth isn't measured by your paycheck. It's measured by the freedom your money gives you. If you enjoyed this lesson,